just a short video about my 3D printer, which doesn't print anymore because there's a sensor, auto leveling sensor, and that seems to have failed. So let's switch it on. Let's take a look at the display. Takes a second to boot, and if I go to print and I tell it to auto calibrate, it should now go to the middle, go down, and then a little pin should come out, this silver thing down there, and that's probably not going to happen. And then on the display it says CR touch error, call the service. Yeah, no service here, so we're doing this ourselves. And this sensor is a little module, and this pin here should come out, go on the plate, and then auto level the whole thing. Ordered one from AliExpress for 14 euros, and hopefully this is the correct one. So here's the sensor, and I think it works with a magnet which releases this little pin that comes out, and then this goes down and touches here, and that's how the hand knows where to go. So you can also use this to put it on your old 3D printer which has none of these. So first we have to take off this cover. This is held in by 3 screws. And we can take this off, and there's the fan, this whole construction here, to cool the filament which comes out somewhere there. There's another fan which is a bit dirty, but that is not of our concern. Here is the thing we are going to change. It's all a bit fiddly here, and that is just plugged in with one little cable here, which we just pull, and then we have to put the new sensor on here, and it seems to be pretty much the same. Okay, that's good. That doesn't fit. Nice. Okay, that's because the screw comes from the bottom side. So I think we will just take the cable from this one. It's hot glued in. Never mind. That in here, hopefully. Okay, that's the cable back in. That in here. Put the screws back in. Not sure if it's actually the sensor that failed, but we will see in a minute. It's at least good that it's modular and you can order these for relatively cheap. Okay, got that. Cable back in, and there's a few holes here, and we need to take the one in the middle, the 2 in the middle, that is. Go and test after we put on the cover again. 3. Okay. Let's see. Calibrate, go. Pin came out. Awesome. Okay, so it actually was this part, and now I can go and print again. Nice. So this is going down now and trying to check. We can see this for a minute, or watch this for a minute. Now it goes to the next position and checks there, after it heated up a bit. You can see it's heating here, and this is a bad heating. It's 23 of 65 degree Celsius, and this is the head, which is at 21 and should go up to 190-ish. And when the bed is heated, this calibration continues. Okay, so that's just a short video on how to change the CR Touch auto leveling sensor on the Creality series of 3D printers. Thank you for watching Retros into Black. If you liked this video, please like it, give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in content like this, please subscribe and hit this bell icon. I have no idea if it really makes a difference, but you never know. And yeah, it's an algorithm, so I'm not arguing. However, thank you for watching, and I see you on the other side. Cheerio.